Why hello, it's your gal Dimply Bean back at it again with some more content. Today's look is based off a new horror game that's coming out, Deadlane. Deadlane is a horror racing game which pits you against 5 contestants in a race for survival. You are literally either being chased or are the chaser, and it is right up my alley. This video is not sponsored. I love horror games, so I was pretty hyped for this one, and I decided that I had to do a look based on the villain Telly. Her design is too awesome for me not to. If you would like to check out this game, click the link below for more details. So let's get to it. Firstly, I'm going to pin back some of this fringe with a few cute clips and show off this glorious forehead. Beautiful. Sanitize my hands because I've been getting a lot of breakouts lately and I want my fingies to be spotless. Now it's time to put in my lenses. Telly's eyes are actually orange, but these are the closest lenses that I have. Now I'm going to spend 10 minutes struggling to put them in my eyes because they decided to be twitchy today, and boom, they are in. I'm using the Ordinary's High-Adherence Silicone Primer to prep my skin. I love Ordinary products and this is my favourite primer that they do. Taking this Ordinary train to the next level with their Coverage Foundation. This formula is quite runny, so I recommend using a brush or fingers instead of using a beauty blender, as I'm pretty sure a sponge would just soak it all up. Next, I'm taking my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in a couple of shades lighter than my skin tone and applying this underneath my eyes, side to my mouth, side to my nose, on the top of my nose, and in between my brows, blending it into the skin using my fingers. More e.l.f. again, this time using their HD setting powder with a nice fluffy brush. I'm just going to set all of this fabulousness. Now I'm going in with my NYX Matte Bronzer and just applying it with a bronzer blush underneath my cheekbones to accentuate them. Using my J.Mue Wondrous brow tattoo pen, I'm now going to create a strong, straight brow to up the intensity of this look. Next is another NYX goodie, their white eye primer. A necessity to any dark, intense eye is a good primer. I applied it to my lids in soft tapping motions using my finger. To create a good dark base, I'm using Model's Own Colour Chrome Cream Eyeshadow, say that really fast, in a Night Galaxy, and apply this in the same way as the primer, light tapping motions across my lid and underneath my eye. Next is some more e.l.f. action. I'm using my Mad for Matte Holy Smokes palette in the darker shade and blending out any harsh lines using more patting motions. I then took my Revolutions Pro Regeneration Astrological palette and using the 1111 colour, I'm now going to add a little sparkly to the inner corners of my eye. Using the same palette, I'm going to use the colour Light and apply to my brow bone. Next, I curled my lashes, applied a touch of mascara and added some falsies. Taking my LAQA & Co. Cheeky Lip Colour in Humble Brag, I applied a touch to my lips and patted this in using my finger. Next, I took an art varnishing brush and cut the bristles short to make a chip brush, perfect for flicking paint. I then took my Mehron Paradise palette and using the brown colour and my freshly cut chip brush, flicked the paint across myself to give a mud splattered effect. And that's it, the final look. As always, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button. If you would like to see more content like this, then hit that subscribe button. Comment if you're feeling chatty, and click the link down below for more info on Deadlane. And I'll see you all next Saturday. Bye!